Hello and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Have you ever heard someone say that music has healing energy? Or maybe you've been in a bad mood, but when a certain song comes on, it transforms you into a more positive state. It is this exact reason that music plays such a powerful role in manifesting our desires when practicing the law of attraction. By the end of this video, you will learn how to use frequency as your secret weapon in manifesting your dream life. The law of attraction is a belief that we can attract what we desire into our lives through thoughts, feelings, and actions. Since vibrational projections, or the vibrations that we put out into the universe, are the basis for all manifesting, we can harness this energy to amplify our manifesting power. With music having such a powerful vibrational energy in both melody and lyrics, it's no wonder that we can use music to shift our mindset and attract exactly what we want. So how can you use music to tap into the energy of the universe to align yourself with what you desire? Here's how it works. Choose music that resonates with the energy of what you want to attract. For example, if you want to manifest abundance and prosperity, you might want to choose music that is uplifting and energizing. On the other hand, if you want to manifest love and relationships, you might choose music that is romantic and soothing. Take note of how you feel with this music playing. The whole point is to align your frequency to your desires. We all have that one song that no matter our mood, gets us feeling good. So let's see what your good mood music is in the comments below. And once you find the music that resonates with you, consider creating a playlist for that specific goal. Play it while you visualize what it is you're calling into your life. Some people believe that the power of music goes beyond just the emotional feeling. For example, consider the solfeggio frequency. The solfeggio frequencies are 9 frequencies derived from numerology that are believed to attract specific feelings based on the waveform or frequency value. No matter which music or frequencies you use, make sure that they're evoking the desired feeling you wish to attract. It's very important to remember that the law of attraction works all the time, whether we are consciously aware of it or not. This means that we can get stuck in negative vibrational patterns or loops if we are not careful. For example, if we consistently find ourselves in a scarcity mindset, we will attract more lack and scarcity into our lives. Similarly, if we constantly focus on negative thoughts and emotions, we will attract more negativity into our lives. This may sound daunting, but I have good news. We have the power to change our mindset and break out of the negative loops. And music can be a very powerful tool for doing this. Find music that inspires and motivates you to help break up your negative behavioral pattern. There are already amazing playlists out there to help you do just that. Keep these in your favorites list so you can reference them as needed. Did you know that you don't even have to be awake for frequency to impact your manifestations? You can also listen to music or tracks while you're sleeping. Researchers at MIT found that certain neural pathways react exclusively to music. Opening neural pathways in our brain helps us gain confidence and can aid us in overcoming fear. This can be especially helpful in subconsciously influencing your mind to project your desires into your 3D reality. Just as visualization should be a regular practice while manifesting, so can listening to music. Allow yourself to feel fully immersed in the vibrations and emotions that the music brings up. While in that emotional vibration, use your mind's eye to see yourself already having what it is you desire. What's incredible is that when we listen to music that we love and visualize what it is that we desire, our brains store this as a memory. This significantly influences the likelihood of this desire becoming a reality in our 3D world. For an extra boost, conclude your musical session with feelings of gratitude. Being in a state of gratitude is a fast way to align yourself with the harmony of the universe. So next time you listen to music, use it as a tool to help you visualize and feel the emotions of already having what you desire. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.